Today we will learn what algebra is and why we use letters to represent numbers. In arithmetic we work only with numbers. In algebra we also use letters, called variables, to represent numbers that can change or are unknown. We often use letters like x, y, and z as variables. Let's switch our variable letter and see how the scene updates. An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and operations like addition or multiplication. For example, 2x plus 3 is an expression. In the expression 2x plus 3, the number 2 is called the coefficient, x is the variable, and 3 is the constant term. To evaluate an expression, we substitute a number for the variable. If x equals 3, then 2x plus 3 equals 9. Algebra is used in real life. For example, the formula distance equals speed times time uses variables to describe motion. An equation is different from an expression. An equation contains an equals sign, showing that two expressions have the same value. Solving an equation means finding the value of the variable that makes it true. In 2x plus 3 equals 9, x must equal 3. Just like in arithmetic, algebra follows the order of operations: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Algebra also helps us describe patterns and sequences, such as predicting the next number in a list using a rule. Algebra is useful in science, engineering, economics, and everyday problem solving, wherever we need to describe relationships between quantities. We can also translate word problems into algebra. For example, a number increased by 5 becomes the expression x plus 5. Congratulations! You now understand what algebra is, what variables and constants are, and the difference between expressions and equations.